For the final trade of the day, let's bring in Scott Bauer, the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. Hope you're doing well, Scott. What do you have for us today?
Hi there, Angie. Boy, there is a lot on our radar between EcoData, all the big seven with earnings coming out shortly with Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet. But I'm focusing in on one of these stocks that used to be maybe one of, called a meme stock, but it's Carvana. That stock traded up into the mid-50s just a short while ago, sold off down to their 50-day moving average. They have earnings on February 22nd. I am taking now on this sell-off a bullish position going into earnings. I will be out of this before earnings, but I think that support there, that's going to be great, and we're going to have a run-up. So I'm buying the February 16th 45.50 call spread. I could do that really cheap, somewhere around $1, maybe a little bit more than $1. I believe that support where we are right now, that's going to hold. We're going to see a run up into earnings and before earnings, and I absolutely will be out of this before their earnings report.
Is there a possibility that meme traders could drive this trade in Carvana this week?
It does at times, not right now because we're kind of in this lull period. But as we get closer and closer to that earnings date on February 22nd, I think that's going to start showing up on the Reddits and the Wall Street bets, and you're going to see some very increased option activity. And that's why I'm trying to get in ahead of that.
What about the overall stock market as it is trading in record territory and then big tech earnings are coming out?
We're up here in record territory while rates are going up. We've seen the pattern over the last 6 months, 9 months or so, rates going down, market going up. Now they're both going up. This is kind of a situation that we haven't been accustomed to yet. I would be a little cautious overall here, but with some of these tech stocks and AI being back in vogue here, I would ride the market while it's going, but use cheap protection to help your portfolio, whether it's buying some VIX calls, S&P puts, while volatility is cheap.
Well said. Thank you, Scott.
Thanks, Andrew.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.